What if I told you NASA tech could regrow your hair? Yes, you heard that right. The same cutting-edge technology that helps astronauts in space can now help you combat hair loss right here on Earth. No pills, no surgery, just lasers. Imagine a world where you don't have to worry about the side effects of medications or the risks of surgical procedures. Instead, you can simply harness the power of light. Let's beam into the future. A future where hair loss is no longer a concern, and advanced technology is at your fingertips to help you regain your confidence. Hair loss isn't just vanity. It's a deeply personal issue that affects your self-esteem and how you present yourself to the world. It's panic attacks over selfies, avoiding windy days and feeling self-conscious in social situations. The emotional toll can be overwhelming and wondering if anything works. You've probably tried countless products from shampoos to serums, all promising miraculous results but delivering little to no improvement. But science just dropped a mic. Recent advancements have led to a breakthrough that could change the game for hair loss treatments. 65% of men and 40% of women face hair loss. You're not alone. This is a widespread issue that affects millions of people globally. LLLT uses red light to wake up lazy follicles. Low-level laser therapy, or LLLT, is a non-invasive treatment that stimulates hair growth at the cellular level. It's like a gym session for your hair, FDA-approved, painless, and zero side effects. Just as you would exercise to keep your body fit, LLLT helps keep your hair follicles active and healthy. Stimulates blood flow and repairs follicles. No DHT blocking, no chemicals. This means you can avoid the harsh side effects associated with other treatments. Even skeptics can't argue with lasers. The science behind LLT is solid, and the results speak for themselves. 48% thicker hair in 26 weeks from FDA clinical trials. These are not just anecdotal claims, they are backed by rigorous scientific research. 90% user satisfaction according to the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology. But here's the catch: it's not magic. While the results are impressive, they require commitment and consistency. Consistency is key. 3x weekly for 6+ months. Just like any other treatment, you need to stick with it to see the best results. It's an upfront investment, but no refills needed. Once you have the device, you don't have to worry about ongoing costs for refills or replacements. Combine with Minoxidil for turbocharged growth. For those looking to maximize their results, combining LLLT with Minoxidil can provide even more significant improvements. Here's how to use it. It's simple and convenient, fitting easily into your daily routine. Laser cap. Wear 30 mins, 3x a week. Perfect for Netflix time. You can multitask and treat your hair while enjoying your favorite shows. Laser comb 5 mins daily, a lazy hack. For those who prefer a quick and easy option, the laser comb is perfect. In-office helmets, supercharged but pricey. These are the most powerful option, but come with a higher cost. Pro tip: skip greasy products before sessions. Lasers hate residue. Clean hair ensures the lasers can penetrate effectively. I laughed at laser hair growth. I was skeptical too, but the results have been nothing short of amazing, until my bald spot vanished. 8 months later, my hair is thicker, fuller, and healthier than ever before. My DMs are flooded with "Did you get a transplant?" Friends and family can't believe the transformation. If you're ready to zap hair loss into oblivion, smash that like button. Show your support and let us know you're ready to take the leap. Comment laser below, and subscribe for more tech-powered beauty hacks. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more innovative solutions to everyday problems.